Hi guys, I wanted to show you something. We have a Mavic Air, and so far up to this point everything has been purchased from the DJI, that's the manufacturer's website. But I saw a discounted car charger on Amazon, and I'll put the link there in case you want to try it. Now, we didn't try it yet, we just ordered it, just came in today. So we're going to see how it works with the Mavic Air and if it charges it, because you can save a good deal of money, as much as $40. It's $49.99 on the website. Now, I had an additional coupon, but I think it's, you can get it for under $20 on Amazon, $19.99 or so. You might even find it a little less, but that's a significant savings if it works just as well. And they have other accessories. So the other one we have is a case, that I got. That's good. So inside we have a car adapter. So this is going to go into, if you have an older car, it goes into your cigarette lighter, but for gosh, at least since 2004 or something, they have the the power outlets in your car. So that's going to go right into your power outlet. And then that opens to put the battery there to charge the battery. So
this is for the remote.
And then the other slot is to charge the remote, which is here. So we will charge the battery and the remote with the charger, and update on how that went. Okay, but again, I'll put a link to it, because if you can save some money on it. I want to show you one other accessory I got, which was a case, because I forgot about that for a second. We have the case we got from Mavic Air, but this is a smaller case that I saw that I got for a really good price on Amazon, so I tried that out, and so far that case has been good. Okay, so this was a smaller case, and it's a hard soft shell, case, and put the zippers back all the way. So this will hold the drone here, and the controller, this way, right there, will fit in. And okay, so the drone goes. Okay, so the drone fits right in there, and then you can zip it up. Now, the other case that we have is this larger one. This is from DJI, but this case is a nice case to have to just hold those two things, and it's a little more packable, so you can put it into, if you just didn't want to bring another big huge bag and you had a backpack or something, it could go in there nicely. And this is a good price on Amazon, and it's a good case that fits and will protect the unit if you decide to pack it that way. So I'll put a link to that, and you can check that out for yourself too if you have a Mavic Air. Check that out. I'll let you know how the charger works. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.
There's a light there.
Okay. Unit over here
Let's see.
is charging, and so is
This one might have been charged already. That might be what happened over
the
here.
battery. Looks like it might be completely charged, so they all flash green.
That one's
But
charging.
this one, the remote, is actually charging.
Let's see if I can unplug it and see what
It
happens.
did flash all green, so maybe it's fully charged. Might turn it to the front. There,
Oops.
see, it's flashing 4 green on the front, see?
Yeah,
It's fully
right.
charged.
Then we'll see.
Okay, but anyway, the
Okay.
remote is charging, and everything appears
The
to
remote
be...
is charged too then. See
Okay,
it? Stopped.
it stopped. So, yeah, apparently
It's charged.
it
So
works. We'll have to run it down and update the video.
I'll run down.
but-
I'll use this and then.
But
we'll-
everything so far looks to be okay and compatible.
it's-
There's no compatibility issues that we can see right now. So we'll update me learn more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.